What's something people don't know about Korea? This is gonna blow your mind. Let's uncover the amazing spirit of Korean people. Koreans are known for their warmth and hospitality. Ever heard of Jong? It's the deep sense of connection and caring they have for each other. Imagine being treated like family even if you're a stranger. Korean people are also incredibly resilient. Whether it's bouncing back from challenges or working hard, they never give up. And let's talk about their love for food. Sharing meals is a big part of Korean culture. It's not just about eating, but about bonding and creating memories with loved ones. From their rich traditions to their innovative spirit, Koreans blend the old with the new in the coolest ways. So, next time you think of Korea, remember their spirit of kindness, resilience, and community. Write in the comment, which country are you from?